Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with another Amazon review. We're in a different part of my house today. Gotta do you some magic tricks. This stuff is amazing. This plain magic. This is the a tool lube right here. It's for your saws. Kind of like this stuff. Just gotta lube it up. It'll cut smoother. Saws and planes, etc. help the tool glide better, easier to use. So definitely we're going to see this in action right about now. So here it is. Here's the little guy, plain magic. Links will be down below. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, and we made it. It is Saturday, so I just gotta go. Drop you guys down right there. Gotta rub it in. Cause that looks pretty beat up, this saw. So we got that pretty good. Smells pretty good too. That's what it looks like. There you go. Easy twist. Bam. Whoa. Just make sure you be careful with your fingers. There we go. And now let's see the magic. A couple more times. Alright. Got that in. And we're going to cut some things right about now. Oops, sorry about that noise. Got the saw. See, look at that. Boom. Got that good right there. I'm not going to go too much further, but I want to show you more other tools. Got this little guy. I'm going to juice her up right about now. That's a little one of these tools. I forgot what it's called, but kind of like a mini hacksaw. Just got a little bit up in there good. Like I tell you, really cool people. Definitely a great company on Amazon, so definitely check them out. And then I think that should be good. See what I mean? Makes it a lot easier. Makes the tool easier to fly. Whoa. There we go. And like I said, electric saws, the blades, it could use. Really good stuff though, this plain magic. And check them out. Grab a couple stocking stuffers for somebody in your household. And that's about it for today. So definitely check them out. Link will be down below. And you guys be safe. Have a good day. And see you guys soon.